Okay, I'm going to give you a quick view of everything together. You have the Rock Band 1 drum sets put together with the Rock Band 2 Mad Catz cymbals, and I have 3 pedals hooked up. Right there I mounted the hi-hat switch box, and the hi-hat pedal gets connected right up into there, and then the hi-hat cymbal gets connected right up top there, and the 2 male-to-male mono cables go from there up to there and over to there. Now the 2 cymbals, their wires connect. One connects there and one connects over there. Another thing I want to point out, I got some felt sticky back sheets over at Walmart craft section. I just didn't like the shitty colors that they had, and I used the black. I took them apart. I used the 7 1/4 pot, cut some circles, pasted them on there, and there you have it. We get some sound bites now on what all the drums do. We're loaded up there. We have Cubase and eDrum monitor all set up. So here we go. This is the snare. Tom 1, Tom 2, Tom 3, Tom 4. You have the cowbell, cymbal 1, cymbal 2, the ride cymbal, cymbal 3, and of course you have bass pedal 1, bass pedal 2. You have the hi-hat open. You have the hi-hat pedal closed. And that's it.